Tech Tools for Creators, your 2025 guide to ChatGPT, Canva Pro, and beyond.
Comprehensive lesson on AI and tech tools for creators. This comprehensive lesson is divided into 5 chapters, focusing on how creators can leverage AI tools and platforms like ChatGPT and Canva Pro for video production and other creative tasks. Each chapter includes theoretical insights, practical applications, and actionable steps for mastery. Lesson Plan. Chapter 1, Introduction to AI in Creative Workflows. Lesson Objectives. By the end of this lesson, learners will understand what AI is in the context of creative work, recognize the significance of AI tools in enhancing creative workflows, identify and explore various popular AI tools, gain hands-on experience using AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva Pro. Section 1. What is AI and why it matters to creators? Explanation. Definition of AI in a creative context. Artificial intelligence (AI) refers to computer systems capable of performing tasks typically requiring human intelligence. In creative industries, AI assists in automating repetitive processes, analyzing data, and generating content, enabling creators to focus on more innovative aspects of their work. Examples of AI in creative workflows. Content generation. AI tools like ChatGPT can write scripts, blog posts, and even poetry, saving writers hours of effort. Video editing. AI-powered software like Runway can simplify complex video edits, such as background removal or automated color grading. Graphic design. Tools like Adobe Firefly allow users to generate designs from simple prompts. Practical example. Imagine you are a graphic designer tasked with creating a campaign. Using an AI tool, you can quickly generate design options based on a client brief, saving time and providing inspiration. Interactive question. How could AI save time in a typical creative project you've worked on or might work on in the future? Section 2. The growing ecosystem of AI tools. Explanation. Overview of popular tools. ChatGPT, a conversational AI by OpenAI for generating text, brainstorming ideas, and drafting scripts. Canva Pro, a design platform with AI features for creating graphics, videos, and presentations using customizable templates. Adobe Firefly, an AI-based creative suite that enables text-to-image generation and intelligent design modifications. Runway, AI-powered video editing software that automates complex tasks like object tracking and special effects. Key benefits of using AI tools. Efficiency. Speeds up repetitive tasks. e.g., resizing designs or editing long videos. Creativity. Suggests new ideas and design concepts through prompts. Scalability. Handles high-volume tasks, such as batch editing or creating variations of a design. Practical example. A marketing agency can use ChatGPT to draft tailored social media posts for different client demographics while relying on Canva Pro to create branded visuals. Interactive question. Can you think of a task in your current work or studies that could be made easier or faster using an AI tool? Practical activity. Objective. To provide learners with hands-on experience using AI tools for creative workflows. Instructions. Explore ChatGPT. Sign up for a free account on OpenAI. Experiment with generating text prompts. For example, ask ChatGPT to create a social media post promoting a product. Have ChatGPT brainstorm ideas for a blog article or a script. Explore Canva Pro. Access the Canva platform and sign up for a free trial or use the free version. Explore pre-designed templates for social media graphics, e.g., Instagram posts, Facebook banners, short videos or animated posts. Customize a template by changing text, colors, and images to suit a specific project. Debrief questions. What features of ChatGPT and Canva Pro stood out to you? How did these tools simplify your creative tasks compared to traditional methods? Conclusion. AI is transforming creative workflows by automating mundane tasks, enhancing ideation, and enabling creators to focus on high-value aspects of their work. By leveraging tools like ChatGPT and Canva Pro, creators can save time, scale their efforts, and produce innovative results with ease. Homework extension. Use ChatGPT to draft a 300-word blog post on a topic of your choice. Create a mock social media post using Canva Pro and present it in the next session. Include details about how AI helps streamline the process. Chapter 2. ChatGPT for video production and content ideation. Overview. ChatGPT serves as a versatile assistant for video creators, aiding in script writing, content brainstorming, and creating compelling narratives. This chapter explores how to leverage ChatGPT for video production tasks such as generating scripts, developing storyboards, and refining dialogue. Key topics. 1. Script writing with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can act as a co-writer for developing scripts across various video genres. Prompting for specific genres. Example. Prompt. Write a script for a 3-minute documentary about climate change's impact on small island nations. Quote. Output. ChatGPT provides an introductory narration, transitions between scenes, and a conclusion. Practical application. Identify your target audience and genre. A. G. Tutorial, comedy, documentary. Prompt ChatGPT with clear guidelines, tone, length, and intended emotional impact. Use iterative adjustments to polish the output. Crafting calls to action and dialogue refinement. Example. Prompt. Write a call to action for viewer to subscribe to a sustainability initiative. Quote. Output. ChatGPT produces a concise, motivational conclusion. Practical tip. Test different wordings of the call to action with ChatGPT to find the most engaging phrasing. 2. Content ideation and storyboarding. Using AI to brainstorm video topics. Example. Prompt. Suggest 5 engaging topics for a tech YouTube channel aimed at beginners. Quote. Output. Topics like top 5 beginner-friendly coding platforms or how to choose your first laptop. Quote. Practical tip. Ask ChatGPT for topic ideas tailored to seasonal trends or audience demographics. Collaborating with ChatGPT to create short-by-short storyboards. Example. Prompt. Create a short-by-short outline for a cooking video featuring a pasta recipe. Quote. Output. Descriptions such as close-up of ingredients, medium shot of host explaining recipe, overhead shot of pasta being boiled. Activity. Enhance your storyboarding by adding camera movements and transitions based on ChatGPT's suggestions. 3. Editing assistance. Simplifying technical jargon for broader audiences. Example. Prompt. Rewrite this technical explanation of blockchain for a general audience. Quote. Output. A simplified, accessible description that retains accuracy. Practical application. Use ChatGPT to refine complex sections of your video script for inclusivity. Refining scripts with ChatGPT's proofreading capabilities. Example. Prompt. Proofread this script for grammatical errors and improve its readability. Quote. Output. ChatGPT edits and offers suggestions for smoother phrasing. Tip. Incorporate ChatGPT's edits while maintaining the script's original tone and intent. Practical activity. Generate a short video script on a trending topic. Prompt ChatGPT to create a video script based on a trending topic in your niche. Example. Write a 2-minute script for a trending topic in health and wellness, the benefits of cold showers. Quote. Refine the script for tone and structure. Use follow-up prompts. Make the tone more conversational. Quote. Add a humorous anecdote to the introduction. Quote. Reformat the ending to include a call to action. Quote. Conclusion. ChatGPT can transform your video production process by offering script writing support, ideation, and editing assistance. With its ability to adapt to various tones and genres, it's an invaluable tool for creators looking to streamline their workflow and produce polished, engaging content. By the end of this chapter, you'll be equipped with the skills to use ChatGPT to brainstorm video concepts, generate and refine scripts effectively, collaborate with AI to develop detailed and visually engaging storyboards. Chapter 3, Canva Pro for Visual Storytelling and Video Design. Overview. Canva Pro is a versatile tool that simplifies video creation and visual storytelling through its user-friendly drag-and-drop interface and AI-powered design suggestions. This chapter introduces key features and provides hands-on practice to develop skills in creating compelling visuals and videos. Lesson plan. Key topics. 1. Getting started with Canva Pro. A. Overview of templates and design features. Introduction to templates. Open Canva Pro and explore its library of pre-designed templates. Templates are available for various uses such as presentations, social media posts, videos, and advertisements. Example. Select a social media video template. Examine how placeholders for text, images, and video clips are organized. Design features overview. Drag and drop functionality for easy customization. Explore the sidebar menu for elements like shapes, text, photos, and videos. Introduction to premium elements available with Canva Pro. B. Customizing templates for unique branding. Brand Kit integration. Access the Brand Kit feature. Add your brand's colors, fonts, and logos to create a cohesive design. Modifying a template. Replace placeholder images with your own photos or use Canva's stock library. Edit the text to reflect your message while maintaining brand consistency. Activity. Customize a template to create a branded promotional image for a fictional business, such as Zenti Cafe. Quote. 2. Video production with Canva Pro. A. Creating intro and outro segments. Designing an intro segment. Use a video template or start from scratch. Add your logo, a brief tagline, and dynamic animations for an engaging intro. Example. Create a 5-second intro for Ecoace, a sustainable product line, featuring an animated leaf logo and the text, Ecoace, Green Living Made Simple. Quote. Designing an outro segment. Include a call to action, CTA, such as, follow us, or shop now. Quote. Use transition effects to ensure a smooth end to your video. B. Integrating AI-generated text from ChatGPT into visual elements. Crafting compelling text. Generate promotional text or taglines using ChatGPT. Example prompt for ChatGPT. Write a 15-word tagline for a luxury skincare brand. Quote. Incorporating text into video. Insert the AI-generated text into your Canva Pro video. Use text animations, e.g., fade in or typewriter effect, to highlight key messages. 3. AI features in Canva Pro. A. Magic Resize and Background Remover Tools. Magic Resize. Design a visual once and instantly resize it for different platforms, e.g., Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. Example. Resize a promotional video designed for YouTube into an Instagram story format. Background Remover. Upload an image and use the Background Remover tool to isolate the subject. Example. Remove the background of a product image to make it pop against a custom design layout. B. AI-powered animations and transitions. Animating elements. Add motion to text, icons, or images for a dynamic effect. Example, create a scrolling effect for text in a travel vlog intro. Transitions between clips. Use Canva Pro's AI-powered transitions to ensure smooth flow between scenes in your video. Practical activity. Objective. Create a 30-second promotional video using Canva Pro's tools to practice the skills covered in this chapter. Steps. Video theme. Choose a product or service to promote, such as a fictional brand like Glowtech Fitness. Quote. Design process. Select a video template. Add an attention-grabbing intro using animations and brand-specific text. Highlight the product or service using photos, AI-generated taglines, and callouts. Enhance visuals. Use the background remover tool to create a clean and professional look for product images. Add transitions between clips to maintain a cohesive flow. Final touch. Include an outro with a strong CTA, like order now, or visit our website. Quote. Expected outcome. Students will design a visually appealing 30-second promotional video that effectively uses Canva Pro's video design and AI tools. Homework. Choose another product or service of your choice. Create a new video with a unique intro, a compelling CTA, and visuals enhanced by AI tools. Share your work with peers or the instructor for feedback. This comprehensive approach ensures learners understand the theory and practice of Canva Pro's features for video creation and visual storytelling. Chapter 4. Combining ChatGPT and Canva Pro for a unified workflow. Overview. In this chapter, we will explore how to effectively combine the AI-powered ideation and writing capabilities of ChatGPT with the visual design prowess of Canva Pro. The focus will be on moving from initial ideas to polished final products, streamlining content creation, and incorporating collaboration and feedback into the workflow. Key topics. 1. From ideas to final product. Objective. Learn how to use ChatGPT to generate content ideas in Canva Pro to transform those ideas into visually engaging materials. Step-by-step guide. Start with an idea. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm topics for a campaign, blog post, or social media content. Example prompt in ChatGPT. Generate 10 ideas for an Instagram campaign promoting eco-friendly lifestyle tips. Quote. Refine the content. Ask ChatGPT to expand or condense the ideas for clarity and effectiveness. Example follow-up prompt. Create an engaging Instagram caption for each idea that is no more than 150 characters. Quote. Design in Canva Pro. Import these refined ideas into Canva Pro to create designs. Example workflow. Use Canvas templates for Instagram posts or stories. Match the tone of the captions by choosing design elements like eco-themed color palettes and icons. Practical example. Idea from ChatGPT. Reuse glass jars for home organization. Quote. Canva Pro execution. Create an infographic showcasing 5 ways to reuse glass jars, with step-by-step visuals and a complementary color scheme. 2. Streamlining content creation. Objective. Learn how to seamlessly integrate text and visual elements by exporting ChatGPT-generated scripts into Canva Pro and aligning visuals with text. Step-by-step guide. Exporting scripts from ChatGPT. Generate a script for a promotional video. Example prompt in ChatGPT. Write a script for a 2-minute YouTube video introducing our eco-friendly product line. Quote. Import into Canva Pro. Copy the script and use Canva's video creation tools to produce the video. Workflow example. Use a pre-designed video template. Add placeholders for visuals, like product shots or animations, to match the script. Aligning visuals with text. Use Canva Pro's AI recommendations for fonts, colors, and layouts that align with the tone of the script. Example. For a cheerful tone, select bright colors and playful fonts. For a formal tone, opt for muted tones and classic serif fonts. Practical example. ChatGPT script line. Our product is made from 100% recycled materials. Quote. Canva Pro Visual. Add a bold text overlay with this line on a background of animated recycling icons. 3. Collaboration and feedback loops. Objective. Learn how to share drafts with teams or clients and incorporate feedback effectively. Step-by-step guide. Sharing contents for review. After creating a draft in Canva, use Canva's sharing features to send a viewable or editable link to your team or clients. Incorporating feedback. Collect comments and suggestions via Canva's in-app comment feature or external tools e.g., Google Docs or email. Update the design based on feedback without losing the original draft. Streamline iterations with ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to tweak the text or suggest alternative content based on feedback. Example prompt. Rewrite this sentence to sound more enthusiastic. Our product is eco-friendly and efficient. Single quote. Practical example. Initial design. A minimalist poster with the tagline, "Think green, act green." Quote. Feedback. Make it more dynamic and engaging. Quote. Update. Use ChatGPT to generate additional taglines like, "Your step towards a greener tomorrow," and incorporate them into Canva Pro's dynamic animation templates. Practical project. Bringing it all together. Objective. Apply all the concepts in this chapter to create a unified content piece. Scenario. Imagine you are promoting a webinar on sustainable living. Steps. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm a title, "Living Sustainably, Simple Steps to a Greener Lifestyle." Quote. Ask ChatGPT to draft an email invitation and social media posts. Design a webinar poster in Canva Pro using these texts and Canvas templates. Create a short promotional video in Canva using ChatGPT's script. Final output. A cohesive set of promotional materials, an email invitation, social media posts, a webinar poster, and a promotional video. Conclusion. By leveraging ChatGPT for ideation and text generation and Canva Pro for designing and visual storytelling, you can create cohesive, high-quality content with ease. This unified workflow enhances productivity, creativity, and collaboration in content creation projects. Iterating based on ChatGPT suggestions in Canva Pro mockups. Practical activity. Plan and execute a 1-minute explainer video project, starting with a ChatGPT script and completing it with Canva Pro visuals. Chapter 5. Best Practices and Advanced Techniques. Overview. This chapter dives into advanced strategies for effectively using AI tools to enhance creative workflows. By understanding best practices, ethical considerations, and emerging tools, learners will be better equipped to integrate AI seamlessly into their projects. Key topics. 1. Best practices for AI tools. Writing effective prompts for ChatGPT. Crafting effective prompts can significantly improve the quality of responses generated by AI. For example, in effective prompt, "Tell me about social media." Quote. Effective prompt. Write a 300-word analysis of how small businesses can use Instagram to attract new customers. Practical tip. Use clear, specific, and goal-oriented language when framing your prompts. Designing with audience psychology in mind on Canva Pro. Canva Pro offers tools like templates and animations, but effectiveness hinges on understanding your audience. Example. If creating an infographic for a tech-savvy audience, focus on clean lines, minimalist design, and data visualization elements like charts. For a children's book cover, choose bright colors, playful fonts, and character illustrations. 2. Scaling your creative process. Batch producing content with AI can streamline content production. Example: use ChatGPT to generate outlines, captions, and blog posts in bulk, then customize for tone and context. Pair this with Canva Pro to create corresponding visuals like thumbnails, social media posts, and presentations. Automating repetitive tasks. Automating repetitive tasks can save hours. Example: use tools like Zapier to automatically send ChatGPT generated text to a design platform like Canva Pro. Or, schedule posts using AI-driven social media management tools like Buffer. 3. Ethics in AI. Ensuring originality and avoiding over-reliance on AI should enhance, not replace, creativity. Ensure originality by reviewing and editing AI outputs to align with personal style. Adding unique insights or elements that AI cannot replicate, such as personal anecdotes or custom artwork. Addressing copyright and plagiarism concerns. Example scenario: using AI-generated visuals, like from Midjourney, in a presentation. Verify licensing agreements and modify elements to make them uniquely yours. If unsure about copyright status, consider using royalty-free resources like Unsplash or Pexels. 4. Exploring emerging AI tools. Brief overview of emerging tools. Midjourney, AI for creating stunning, detailed visual art. Practical example: generate concept art for a fantasy novel. Descript, AI-powered audio editing tool. Practical example: automatically transcribe and edit a podcast. Runway, AI for video effects. Practical example: add special effects like realistic background changes or object removal in a video. Practical activity. Project report. Complete the following steps and share a brief report. Task selection. Choose a creative task, such as designing a promotional campaign for a fictional product. Using ChatGPT. Generate a content plan, including taglines, post captions, and blog ideas. Example prompt: create 5 taglines for a new eco-friendly water bottle brand targeting young professionals. Quote: using Canva Pro. Design visuals based on the plan. Create a series of Instagram posts, a promotional flyer, or a presentation slide. Combine efforts. Refine the content to ensure a cohesive style and messaging. Report. Briefly describe the task in your workflow. Share lessons learned, such as how adjusting prompts improved output or how Canva features enhanced the design. Summary. In this chapter, we explored advanced strategies for using AI tools effectively, scaling creative processes, ensuring ethical practices, and experimenting with cutting-edge technology. By integrating these methods, learners can elevate their creative projects while maintaining originality and adhering to ethical standards. Wrap up and next steps. By completing this comprehensive lesson, participants will have a solid understanding of how to use AI tools to enhance their creative workflows. The next steps include further exploration of emerging AI tools and expanding your creative portfolio